So how to install IHSS EVV mobile app on your iPhone? So first of all, what is that? So this is electronic visit verification for recipients and providers. EVV is a federal law that requires electronic record of certain information about IHSS and or VPCS services performed. And there are upcoming changes for non-living IHSS and VPCS providers beginning July 1st. So what are these changes? So from July 1st, 2023, providers who do not live with a recipient are required to check in and check out at the beginning and end of each workday and indicate if services are being provided in their home or community. So you can do that either with your mobile app, electronic services portal, or the telephone timesheet system using the recipient's landline telephone. There are no penalties. You can read more details here. There are some webinars, and there are mobile apps available. So if you want to install mobile app on iPhone, if you have iPhone, this is the app you are looking for. So IHSS EVV mobile app, developer Office of Systems and Integrations. It's in top charts right now. Just tap get button and then log in with your Face ID or Touch ID, and you will be able to install it. When you open it up, this is how it looks like. It's just very simple, minimalistic. The one thing you need to do is you need to log in with your IHSS account. So you need to have your username, is case entity, and password. If you forgot your username or password, then you can just reset your username from this website. Just tap in the app, and basically how it looks like is just very simplistic. When you log in, you just have these two buttons, check in or check out. You just want which action. So usually you just start with check in, and then select the recipient to check out. Then you select recipient, input hours worked. Then you can just select location, home or community, and tap checkout button in the bottom. And then success, you have successfully checked out for the following recipient. You can also check out another recipient. Check-in and check-out time will auto-populate on your electronic timesheet, and then you just have, there you have it. That's basically the app. Super simple, but then it just simplifies a lot of things for you. You don't need to do any additional services, just easily do it from your app. And you can also enable dark theme if you want. So there you have it. California IHSS EVV solution is to full compliance. You can capture date, time, and location where services start, name of recipient, date, time, and location where services end, and the location the visit ends. So there you have it.